At Garblex Home Solutions, we turn houses into homes and compounds into safe spaces. Whether you're building, upgrading, or securing your property, we've got you covered with expert services in construction management, solar panel installations, CCTV, plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, security lights, electric fences, interior design, and landscaping. From designing your dream space to keeping it safe and energy efficient, we bring it all together under one roof. Our team is committed to quality services, safety, and customer satisfaction. At Garblex, we make sure your home is not just a place to live in, but a place to thrive in. Secure, beautiful, and efficient. For more information, reach us through our official email support@garblex.co.ke or contact us through 0711 55 5421. You can also contact us through our social media handles at Garblex Home Solutions. Garblex Home Solutions, expert in handyman and construction services.